Hello pioneers, we know that have your hair cut by yourself may be such a difficult task. Despite of the fact that you can stay at home throughout a long period, it is important to keep a good image. That is why we want to review the best gadgets to have your hair cut in today's video. Remember, you have the links of all products in below's description. Subscribe for more interesting videos.
The Remington Shortcut Clipper Pro Haircut Kit has everything you need for a quality haircut at home. The innovative clipper features a curved stainless steel blade, and the kit includes 9 length adjustable combs ranging from 1/16 of an inch to 5/8, so you can do fades and other detailed styles. The clipper fits comfortably into your hand to give you a sure grip while cutting. For best results, cut against the grain of your hair growth, from the front to the top of your head and from the neck to the top. Move the clipper slowly to reduce the chances of pulling hair. The curved blade follows the shape of your head for an even cut that's as close as you want it to be. And the blade is wide, so it cuts large portions of hair with every pass, and gets the job done fast. It's easy to maneuver around your ears and on the back of your head as well. To trim around your neckline and sideburns, just pop off the length comb and use the flat edge of the blade. Turn the clipper over so the blade can get closer to the skin for the clean results you've been looking for. The clipper is completely waterproof, so you can clean it easily under running water after each use. Just turn on the blades and the water will dislodge any trimmed hairs. Waterproof also means you can trim up in the shower or while your hair is still wet. For a more thorough cleaning, remove the blade assembly and wash it off separately. After each wash, apply a small amount of the included blade oil and turn on the clipper to evenly distribute the oil. This will keep the clipper working at peak performance through every haircut. Save time and money on haircuts with the Shortcut Clipper Pro Haircut Kit from Remington. How the world gets ready.
It's your thing. Do what you wanna do it. I can tell you who to sock it to. No, it's your thing. Do what you wanna do now. I can tell you who to sock it to. Oh, have mercy.
Hey girl, love the mustache. Said no one ever. But what's a girl to do? Get Finishing Touch Lumina, the world's #1 facial hair remover. Unlike shaving, tweezing, or waxing. With Finishing Touch Lumina, there are no nicks, no redness, and no irritation. Just instant, painless hair removal and a bright light to reveal every single hair. Do an about face and how you think about facial hair. Get Finishing Touch Lumina.
That's all for today, pioneers. This has been our compilation of tech gadgets. We hope you like it and also to see you back soon.